In this video, you'll learn how to create a contact form in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a functional form that collects responses from your audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in using your account credentials. Enter your email and password to proceed. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before continuing. Once you are logged in, look for the Home section on the Mailchimp dashboard. This area typically displays your recent campaigns and audience information. From here, locate and click on the Forms option in the left-hand menu. This selection will take you to the Forms management page where you can create and manage your forms. After that, you will see various options related to forms. Click on Other Forms to access additional form types. This will redirect you to a page that lists different form options available for your account. Here, you can choose the type of form you want to create. Next, find and select the Form Builder option. This will open a new interface that allows you to customize your form. You should now see a canvas where you can add fields and adjust settings according to your requirements. It is essential to familiarize yourself with this interface as it provides various tools for form creation. After you enter the Form Builder, locate the Forms and Response section. Clicking on this option will allow you to manage the settings for how your form will respond to submissions. This includes configuring notifications and setting up autoresponders, which are crucial for effective communication with your audience. Then select the Sign Up Forms option from the available choices. This will guide you to the specific settings related to subscription forms. It is important to ensure that you select this option to create forms that will capture contact information effectively. Proceed by clicking on the Build It tab. This feature allows you to add different fields to your form, such as name, email, and additional questions. Make sure to consider the information you want to collect from your users while designing your form. Following this, click on the Design It tab. This section enables you to customize the look and feel of your contact form. You can change colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your brand's aesthetic. Take your time here, as a visually appealing form can improve user engagement. Next, click on the Translate It option. This feature allows you to add translations for different languages if you have a diverse audience. Providing a multilingual option can increase accessibility and improve user experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.